everyone, welcome back to FBM Maine Outdoor Journal. Me and old Ahob the Bebob is going on a little adventure here, as you've already seen. Me and Ahob decided to throw the old kayaks on, sneak out here and give her a little try.
Did you bring the rods?
Yep. Oh, I see a sunfish down there already calling your name.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was wondering.
Well, we got to unpack first. You don't want to mess around just with them old sunfish. Oh, there's a bass down there too.
There is?
Oh, there's fish down here beat jingles. We ain't even got out in the lake yet.
I want to catch one.
I hope this camera's recording, because I just ran over it twice when I was trying to push that big popple tree out of the road. I forgot I took it out. I said, where is that camera? And I got out and looked, and it was right under the tire. Front and back screen are both smashed, but the red light's still coming on, and the battery handle's still working fine. It says it's recording, so hopefully it is. If not, this is all in vain. Well, let's get unloaded. We got about 4 hours before dark here. See if we can catch something.
Joe, there's a bass this big in there. Just sitting right there calling our names. It's a huge bass. Look at him, he's right over there. There's tons of them. They're everywhere.
I don't know if I see any huge ones, but there's quite a few in there.
Oh, look, Joe. Do you see that? There's a baby yellow perch right down there.
Holy lightning. Right here by the culvert. We ain't even got out there yet.
Every single species are just sitting right here calling our names.
Listen. Yep, they are calling your name. You're right. You want to get the boats unhooked so we can get out in the big lake?
I want to take a crack at catching one of them bass.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
All right, let's work on it.
Because if I can catch a bass, I want to keep it. I had a picture of a crappie and a bluegill.
Across, Liam's still coming out here to the depot. I'm gonna drift down across with the wind and see if we can't pick up a white perch or two. Spend an hour or so doing that, and then probably take Liam to see if we can hook into a big bass. Yeah, got a good fight on it, whatever it is. Oh, nice whitey. Nice whitey. Got some fillets on him. That's what I'm looking for right there. Boy. Nice one. Into the pail. Big one on. We got a big one. Oh, he just rose. Big whitey. Big whitey. Well, he ain't as big as I thought. He just fought good. Still a good one though. He's a keeper. He's a keeper. Try a little drifting here first. Little drifty, drifty. Where's my fishy? Yep. Come out here a little deeper. Oh. Yeah, and got the drag set right on 10. Don't make no difference. You could loosen her all the way and it wouldn't work. 10-cent reel. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. We weren't gonna lose him. Look at the size of that one. That's what we was looking for. Get a slab off him.
Yo, I changed up my bait.
Nice whitey. Oh! Lost him right over the side. I was gonna try to throw him in the pail and I lost my grip. He lived to see another day. Whitey. Oh! Yep, feels like another nice one. Keep casting it up there towards the depot with that smelt on. Just bounce her along the bottom.
I got smelt and worm on me.
Oh, you got the double combo.
Have you ever done that before?
Oh, probably. I don't think he's as big as the last one. Oh! Look at this, folks. I got a double.
What you got?
Never seen that before. I just had that hook behind the thing. Oh my word.
One went for the little one, one went for the...
Yeah.
Whoop. Got nibble.
Had a nibble?
Oh,
Oh, you got him. Must have drifted through a school here.
first fish.
You got him.
That's a keeper.
Oh yeah.
Got
Oh, I just hooked up. I had a strike while I was trolling, paddling back up here. I lost it. Oh, I lost that one too. Caca. Oh, caca. Better get rebaited back up so we're out again here. Oh, I had a bite. Oh, pulled it right out of his mouth. I hate it when that happens. I hate it when that happens. I hate it when that happens. Oh, there he is. Just getting ready to cast the other one. You better get up here, Liam. There's another school. Oh, that's a good one. We'll get a fillet off him. Oh, missed the bucket, but he stayed in the kayak. He's biting it. Oh, oh. Oh, lightning. I'm sorry, miss a lot today. Oh, I see there's a big scale right on the end of the hook. That ain't helping. Right on the bob. That ain't helping matters one bit.
two smelts this time.
You did. Oh, there's one right there. Feels like a good one. Oh, yeah. He's making the old rib go. Oh, I doubled up.
Doubled up. Can I take one?
You can get over here. I don't know if I still got him or not. I think he's still on there. Yeah, looks like he is. Oh, come back.
Okay, I'll take the other rod, Joe. Oh yeah, he's on there.
Over on this side.
Oh, come on. Oh,
He's still there. Don't run that like a Frenchman. Spin it over and go with your left hand. I apologize to all you Frenchmen out there. I didn't really mean it. I really didn't mean it. Just a figure of speech.
oh, he's fighting hard.
He is. Don't hook me in the ear. Oh, hold her, hold her. Hold it. Oh, that's a nice one.
Feels like a beauty. Holy cow.
Here he is. Oh, that's a nice one.
I got the bee.
That's a beauty. Beauty. Leatherman.
Oh, fish on.
Oh, you're into another one on your other pole.
Joe, take this one. Take this one.
I got it. I got it. Don't stop now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at him. Oh.
Oh, you hooked that one like you was fishing pickerel.
Foul hook.
Yep, foul hook.
So I gotta let him go.
Yep. Don't do that.
That's a beauty. Your wingman. The one that I got on the other pole.
Missing that bucket a lot, but at least he stayed in the boat.
What, the big one?
Yep.
I got the bee, didn't I, Joe?
Let me get him for you.
Yeah. He's foul hooked right in the fin, Joe. Right in the fin.
Let me get this one straightened out. I want to try to keep him, keep in the school here.
Keeping this guy alive, putting him back in. what it's gonna be.
He's just a little guy anyways.
Yeah, Joe, can you hand him to me so I can let him go just...
I think he's gonna be hard to...
Oh,
there he goes.
There he goes.
Guess we're not out of the school yet.
What, you got another one?
Yep.
On the other rod?
Nope.
No?
Not yet, I don't think. I saw it move, but I don't... Oh! I was too busy watching that other rod, lost that one.
Yeah.
Just like Laurel and Hardy out here. Ain't it?
Yep.
It's like a 3-ring circus.
What's a 3-ring circus?
Oh, I'll take you to one someday so you see. I like to put back as many as I keep apparently.
Technically, one's not, there's no, oh, that's mine, oh, that's yours. It's all of ours because we're going to have a fish fry.
Oh yeah, we don't care. We ain't fussy.
No. So we're still in the school here?
I guess so. We're on the edge of it probably. We should be getting down. Oh, there he is right there. See if I can actually get one in the bucket here. I let that one go a little prematurely. Premature release. Lightning!
Nice one.
Hey-o!
I got a monster, Joe. Look at that thing.
Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
Kapow!
Kapow is right.
That fish went kapow, man.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah, don't lose him over the side. You pinch him right on the sides of the head, right around the gills.
Ow, 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 ow. He stopped moving.
Oh yeah.
There, shoved his head into the boat. Yeah, he likes that. Hey, you don't stop. Get over here, you cussed little thing. You. Stop playing me with your...
Pinch him right on the side of the head. Give him over here to me.
I might be able to get him. Yeah.
Well, you keep messing around, you ain't gonna be able to catch another one. Can't spend all day fiddling around with them. You either gotta lose them back in the water like I do, or put them in the bucket, one of the two. Hooked right in the lip.
Yep.
Oh, let me pull you up so you can throw her in the bucket. In the bucket she went. Nice shot. Oh, oh, no, I guess that was a little weed on bottom, I think.
Yeah, that or it was a nibble.
I think it was a weed.
Weed.
Oh, I didn't pull my smelt off though. A little bit of weed on the front one.
I think we drifted off of the school, Joe.
Oh, I think we'll give her a couple more casts here, make sure. No sense to be paddling when you can be fishing. We are down quite a ways though. We're probably only in the teens of water here.
We're catching
Oh, he's still there.
Okay, let's go in.
Oh, that one's really fighting. Fighting beat jingles. He's got my old Zebco singing the song, singing soprano. I love them singing soprano Zebcos. Come up here, little sweet thing of mine, you tasty treat. Oh yes, that's a nice one.
Whoop, nibble.
We'll take him all day long.
Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
Beauty.
Actually got him in the bucket this time. Drifting up. Yo, that's really drifting.
Old Gump would have had a ball out here.
Oh yeah.
I gotta check this one real quick. Seems funny this one ain't got a bite in a while.
Whoa, fish on.
Oh ho!
He's singing.
Singing soprano.
I'll take him all day.
Oh yeah, all day long. Oh! Oh, I just had a bite on the lure. Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Well, I don't know if I got one hooked or not. Oh yeah, we got one out of the two. I had him biting every rod here. I was yanking and pulling. Get him over there and get him reeled in. Oh, I just caught another one right beside the boat. Oh, that one's big. Hopefully he stays on there for a minute.
No, stop, fish. Stop. got my thingy.
Oh. That one's gonna have to wait a minute. He's gotta swallow it too much. Ow, 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 ow.
Oh yeah.
Get the pail in.
Him all day.
What
All day, man. All day.
Here's one right there.
Jackson would have had a ball out here, Joe.
He was feeling a little under the weather. There we go.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, there we go.
Stop.
Did you get him off there? You gotta get it. You gotta get him on the hook quick and get your hook back out there so the school will stay with us. Oh, I think I'm going for it already. No, not yet.
Did we get that at school?
No, I don't know. I just got my pole back out there. See if this one will give me a minute to get the hook out of this one.
Paddling up.
Paddle up a little further. I'll probably reset it in a second. If I get things squared away. Didn't have the connection to my paddle. I only got to be able to use a half at a time. I can't hook them together. But she's working all right. I'm more of a canoe man myself anyways, but I like this fishing kayak. Cast this one out so I can troll a little bit on the way back up. That's good. That's good right there.
Joe?
What?
No stinking way.
What?
I can literally see my lure, and I literally just saw a huge perch just come up and steal my bait.
Well, you better get another bait on there.
Like, what the heck? What's the
Oh.
chances?
There he is. Guess we didn't have to paddle very far to find a school. Ooh, yeah. They're good fighters. Lightning. The place where even squats go. I did it again. I gotta figure out some way of setting this kayak up so I can have the pail a little closer. You want your tackle box close, you want your bucket close, and you're in a little kayak, I gotta figure out a little better way. Maybe I ought to get one of them wire baskets that hang off the side. That's 4 or 5 or at least a few that I've lost over the side after I've already took the hook out. Oh, I gotta get this paddle out of the way. We're well out of the deep hole here, but I guess the perch ain't in the deep hole. Get up in here. Just by the skin of the lip. He was that close to getting away, but I ain't got you in the pail yet. Oh, he's in the kayak, but he ain't in the pail. My direct shot for the pail is right through the camera. I'm trying to throw around that. Now matter, we're having a ball. Don't want to clean too many anyway.
But we'll take as many as we can get.
Yep.
Yo, is there any limit to perch out here?
No limit, nope.
Yay! So we can literally get as many as we can get.
See what we got going on with this other pole. Oh, one just jumped right down there. There's one right there. Oh! They're fighters here, I'll give them that. I hope this camera's recording because I can't tell whether she got smashed. Another nice one, nice slabber. the pail. This one's going right slack. I wouldn't be surprised if there's one on it swimming towards me. Either that or drifted back down. I may have drifted back down.
What I do is I just drop it right next to my boat.
That seems to work pretty good, don't it?
Yeah.
I think there's one biting mine right now.
Oh, fish on.
Got one?
He's a huge monster.
Oh yeah, beauty.
Oh, yeah. I need to loosen up.
I got the bait off that one. Nice one. What's them hooks and spines? Whoa, lightning. Oh, quick in the McGraw. I just got that one in time. I think I got one biting this one. They were hitting it. I got the smelt half bead off it. Fix her up a little bit. Throw her back out. Oh, I see. They got my split shot off there. Oh, there's one on this pole. Oh, he's fighting good. Oh, he's spinning my kayak around. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, humpback. Humpback. Oh, baby. That's about like that one I prematurely released there a while back. See. Oh, he got in the pail. He got in the pail. Check this one out, see what's going on. Oh, there he is.
There he is, Joe. There he is. I got one.
This is a fighter, this one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my sakes. Oh my sakes. Oh my sakes.
No.
Woo! Oh, I wish that drag worked a little better. Oh! I think we got a big one this time. Whoa! Oh, big pickerel. Big pickerel. Well, medium pickerel. Good size pickerel, we'll say that. I said if that's a perch, Mr. Johnson, we got something. That's a nice pickerel. No, we got plenty of perch. I ain't gonna mess around with his bones. There he goes. What we got going on with this pole? Probably something on it. Nope, not a thing. That was a nice one. If I wanted a pickerel feed, that'd been a good one to start with right there. I love pickerel, but as long as I'm catching these nice perch, I ain't gonna mess around with filleting all the bones out of him. Ain't that big a job, but seems like I always miss one bone and Sweet Pea gets it.
Yo, why are you drifting all the way down there? Let's get up here.
That pickerel pulled me right down here. I felt like I was a water skier. I had him on there. Had me pole bent right over triple. You getting any bites up here?
I just got one.
You did? A bite or a fish?
What?
A bite or a fish?
Fish.
Well, I gotta paddle back up, I guess. Didn't paddle too far. I got into one here. Not very big, whatever it is.
What is it?
White perch. Decent one.
Yeah, that's a decent perch.
Oh, there's one right there. You're in too shallow, Liam. You gotta come out a little deeper.
I knew it. That's why I wasn't getting any bites. Whoop.
Ooh, nice fighter.
Blocking down right down here.
Oh. Nope, he bit the lure instead of the smelt. Oh! I caught that one right straight under the canoe. I heard one jump behind me too.
That wasn't a fish.
It wasn't?
There's my lure.
Oh, that was you casting?
Yeah.
You should be catching one right here. Feels like a pretty good one. Whoop. Another one on the lure.